guys, welcome to Zandrei channel ZZZ. Today we'll be folding two hats. There's one which is the regular hat, very easy, and then samurai hat, which has way more folds and is pretty small. I recommend you do a bigger piece of paper for this thing, okay? Let's get started. For the regular hat, this one is way bigger than the samurai hat. So, regular hat, first you fold it like right here down the middle. And then you want to do it again, like rotate it and then do it again. But this time you're just creasing. So you just fold it and unfold. Now get the two top corners, fold them to the middle. This is actually a bit similar to our boats. Okay, now you get the top layer of the bottom and then fold it up. You can fold these corners if you can fold like this if you want, but I recommend you just keep it this way. And then flip it over, do the same thing. A way I like to do it is like this. Okay, so you're done. Easy, right? But now we'll move on to the smaller but a little bit harder one. Okay, now we'll be folding the samurai hat. So first, you want to crease diagonally. So basically, fold it here to here. It has to be accurate, or this won't work. And then, you want to grab the bottom two corners, put them up to the top corner, like this. Okay, now you want to flip it over like this, okay? Not like this. So, like, rotate it 180 degrees. And then, get the bottom two things you just folded, and then fold them up to the top. Okay. Now you want to get these flappy thingies, and then you want to fold it here until it looks flat on the top, like this. And then you just get it to the other side. And then you want to get the top layer of the bottom corner, so basically this, and then up. Now you want to get these two, like the bottom third of this triangle, I think it is, and then fold it up. And it should line up with the edges. And then this shouldn't be too big, okay? And then you just want to flip it over, get there, and fold it in half. And there you have it, your samurai hat. I know this is way too small for your head. So basically, pretend this Pringles can is your head. So, to wear the hat, get the bottom, open it a little bit, kind of like we did before, and then put it on your head. Obviously. And this may be too small for you. If it's too small, just get a bigger paper and fold it, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna tell you about the differences of regular hats and samurai hat. First of all, you can obviously wear this on your head if it is small. Babies' heads can wear this. This is why I demonstrated with the Pringles can, okay? You need a small head for this. And this is way too small. Nobody can wear this. They gotta have a very, very teeny tiny head. Okay. Another difference is that they have different difficulties. This one is very easy. This one is easy. Okay? I rank my Origami's difficulties from very easy, medium, hard, very hard. Okay. This one has no designs, but this one does. This one is based on real life. This one is basically for fun. So, bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. And if you have any suggestions, like I always tell you, leave a comment down below, like right here. Bye!